Discover how to unmute notifications on your iPhone. Whether you accidentally muted the app or want to adjust your settings, we've got you covered. Soon, you will turn it back on easily. Using the bell effectively is also a way for you to train yourself to always be on time and make accurate appointments. Begin. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone, swipe down from the top edge to open Notification Center. Step 2. Locate muted notifications, find notifications from currently muted apps. Turn it on in Notifications, it's in Settings. Step 3. Unmute from Notification Center. Once navigated to Notifications, select the applications and choose to turn on notifications if they are turned off. Select Unmute. Notifications from the bell will help you be proactive in everything. Choose the bell sound you like. A ringing sound won't be anything, but if it's a notification ringing sound, then I bet it will be extremely important. Please share this helpful guide with your friends. Your friends may not even notice this, so remind your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching and see you again in the latest videos about technology tips on AnHome Tech.